Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am your friend Zaid Afzal Dar and you're watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all notifications on time and every time. During this video, if you find information provided to you useful, please like this video. Today is Thursday, 30th June 2022. Let's have a look at today's gold prices in Saudi Arabia. Starting with the 1 gram price of 24 carats gold, without VAT price is 219.05 and with VAT is 251.91. For 22 carats gold, 1 gram price is 201.09 without VAT and with VAT is 231.25. 21 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 191.67 and with VAT is 220.42. 18 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 164.29 and with VAT is 188.93. 14 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 128.14 and with VAT is 147.36. 10 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 91.34 and with VAT is 105.04. Last but not the least, 6 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 54.76 and with VAT is 62.97. Keeping in mind the VAT rate in Saudi Arabia is 15% out of 100. I hope you will find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like this video and share this information with your friends and family so that everyone gets the latest update. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.